Hello guys, welcome back to another Mukbang videos. Today we bring you this very special pork. This is pork belly. We bought 1 kg and we bought 2 kg of pig head. I'm going to eat with him, my friend. He's very good in cooking, so we'll taste his cooking.
Yes.
And see, these are some cucumbers, onions, carrot, and then we even have this.
That's a mixture of
that's a mixture of
a lot of varieties mixed together. It's a sour chutney, and we also have this one. What do we call a boil?
parkia. This is parkia, the sticky beans.
Yeah.
And then
Camera on.
this is boil. Like the pear or whatever. Let's eat. So
Yes.
we'll just dive right into the food and taste it.
We have the ear, tail, and fish plus meat. Everything is here. So we're gonna start now.
Yeah. He challenged me, so go boy.
Come on, man. I like to taste the boil first.
I'll start with capsules. See.
It's our first time, so our setting might not be up to date, but yeah, gradually we'll progress this.
Little bit salty. I just cook it.
I'm trying this. Come on. The sour chutney poured over here. Yeah. Okay.
Không qua cung như.
All I like is. Đây là ruộng không? Ruộng nó thang đây. English nó xà vấn thế. Cái ruộng bằng nó lấy làm khế suối bằng tuọ. Cheers. Phải xỉn gà nó thôi. Cầm bài hi mà thôi. Và ghi đấy tôi đấy bạn. Khổ ngoại xì nữa nè.
Ngon mà bớt.
Quá.
Bố mày đi.
Năng rồi xuống một chút bố mày sẽ bái đừng sao dạ. Ai xuống một chút tôi xin một cái.
Lốt nào tụi quay là qua tìm hồ rồi. Lốt nào tụi cá lẹm nó X tìm hồ. If you want to know more what the variety of like this, download Chico app and learn. Chico app download cái gì tôi không thèm sao. This is pig ear.
Yep.
Perfect. See this one, pig ear.
Với cái đó thì có dầu minh nó không, nó thừa nổi chưa? Có dầu minh nó không?
Wow.
Tôi lo lắng cái làm tôi dập điện mẹ buồn quá.
Siapa bang? Nanti kalian semua mending siapa? Actually, this is the first mukbang for my friends.
Yeah.
For me, I have tried like 1-2 times.
First time and I'm the chef here. To be sincere. Cook some food, I'm the chef không có.
Non-cooking chef.
My name is Testing Chef.
add this slice.
nó ăn được xong suy rằng nó cái liền rồi ta làm hay nấm bò để khi khâu bấm này nấm bò lắm rồi ho để khi bấm mùi trai con nó hay còn đó xong suy lắm đây vẫn là dần tôi nói chứ nấm bò nó thuốc gì vậy ơi
Biếng khả năng hay không?
nếu rằng phải rồi mà gì nhá
Bún mặn ha? Tôi ngâm hả? Bún mặn.
đấy rồi mà ha
Sao mặn đấy? Đúng không? So this red one, it's a little bit salty, to be honest. So we will not be able to finish because of the salt. But this one, I'm going to do it.
tao mai gần đến rồi thôi các bạn phải gai rồi tôi cũng còn phải lá nó không mấy tao đó
We know hả? This is the tongue.
Onion I like the most, but I don't usually eat much. I don't know. Ủa, hello, không phải hả? 둘이 됐다 아마.
We
ordered some water just they delivered it.
không lấy
tiêu
bên trái
lái
mà
là được hay ba?
taรับทั้งเนี่ย
xuống thì tẩy xả rạp tôi nói là liền không. Nàng gạo nè, xuống hãy hát thế
ผมใหม่ที่นี่
đúng đi.
น้องพวงของผมมาดิ้งก็
nó đuổi đó là cái này đó. Qua, hay thế tụ ai mà thọ.
ตอนแรกยังกระชาบ้าแล้วเหรอ
máy thả tụ.
แล้วลงขับส่งใบลงนะไม่ค่ะไม่ได้จำนะชื่อหรือรู้
Chua hết. Nó có mài đằng thôi.
ăn dân gì nào
Bố, ấy, tụ nè, mà lại tụ ra, ấy tụ ra tao có thay nó là. This is still. Không sao hả? Quá cái mài. Cầm bài cái gì rồi khoa gần mà đứa cái áo bài khuấy
cái cầm phải gì chẳng có sự của ngâm á
khai ra thì khu ăn lại bài cứ lại đó các cái mày ủng buổi hết những rồi nó sẽ phát sinh ở cái mày chứ mà
lao luôn rồi
ở lao luôn đi à thấy này tôi phải còn nó cái mày
lao trên thế cổ
buổi hết những rồi
không bởi đó có cả bởi đó
nó tôi xuống thế à
perfect đúng năng hàng sẵn thế nhỉ
Cái này sẽ first time gì? Mày thôi này khá ní tú theo. Mua bằng thôi. Có dân mà làm thiệt tú ra khỏi nó tú thì tú quá hát thì tú. Alai nâng
สวยๆทำไมต้องสวยๆใหม่เองเนี่ยแต่บุ้มนั่งนี่ตัวนี้มันงามแล้วตัวนี่จริงอ่ะ
xoay một cái. Tay bụng mong mình này gì?
ได้แล้วเว้ยแต่บุ้มไม่ต้องเอาตัววายที่เว้ย
Ngồi nào, rồi hay là dần tú nào.
กรอบป่ะ
Đấy, ngay à tú mình nào. Hãy tạo nó.
Big ear is the favorite กระดูกก้นตันนี่กวงบ้าง
Quan tâm đấy, liềm.
ไม่บวกกระดูกก้นปอดตันจะอาจจะนี่
Liềm bao nó tu đây ra ta.
we try what we think and what we plan was to like finish up all this we are craving for it so much actually but I just put more salt that's why it's very salty now I cannot even finish one piece for this so this is from another curry pot so this one is perfect the salt everything is fine so we're just eating this next time we'll come back with another like beautiful mukbang videos or any other videos with perfect recipe everything so
We want to finish this one, but yeah, as he said, it's a little salty.
ไปกันเขาก็dân tin nó phải được đó
Cái luồng đó sao này, cái ta blend su su ác này kì, xuang bu cái đã này là pai mà cái này.
ba lại chủ đi màยังให้ผมนั่ง
Nhầm bầu lót nâu rồi cái luồng đó này thay. Bạn hai đây chẳng tâm tôi đi bỏ. Này được rồi.
Ủa? Không phải tâm nữa. My other two roommates they are eating down. They don't want to join videos. That's why.
But we're doing competition today. À stop nữa còn đang hếtสิ่งthêm lắm một cái go tu thái mà. Ôi chứ gì, ông bầu nếu ông phải nếu có. I don't want this rice anymore. Forget about this rice. I think I had a lot today.
This is the tail
A
part.
little salty, but yeah, we'll see again.
Seriously, I cannot apologize enough for this. It's not little salty. I don't know how what went wrong. It's very salty. Now we cannot eat. So next time we'll come back with another videos. May not be pork or maybe another pork, but we'll.
After
really
eating,
well.
I mean, after one bite, cucumber, that's the best remedy.
One bite is equal to 10 cucumber. Yeah. After this mukbang, we are going to wash and eat. Ăn không bố? Yeah, rồi xàm nữa nhỉ. Let's wash and eat later. After we finish.
No, I can't do this. It's too salty.
Too salty seriously. I may not admit any mistake, but I'll admit to them. It's very salty, even I cannot eat. It's tasty though. The ear, the tongue,
Tail.
the tail.
And even this boil is really good. I thought boil cho mukbang đi đi.
No. We plan for pork mukbang, but we eat well mukbang.
Next will be, let's say, how about we try octopus?
Yeah, it's fine.
I like octopus.
I'm always ready to eat. This is the tail.
Um, Actually, we cook two pot. One is the belly part, and the other one is matha, or we call it head. Yeah. Oh, but still, then the belly sabji is a little salty, so yeah, we'll not be able to complete this. Maybe the next mukbang, yeah, we'll try our best, and then everyone, welcome here. Join us. We'll cook you the best lunch or breakfast, dinner, anything.
Welcome is another thing. Subscribe and support us again. It means really a lot for us.
But still, then I'm really full. It's really full.
Version apa?
Totally full. Hi. Đúng không?
Version conclusion gì?
Okay. Anyway, so thank you so much, guys. Keep watching our videos. We'll come up with different kind of surprises to be sincere. Um, we'll yeah, we'll visit some of our friends also for the mukbang. You'll get to see different people in our channel. So have fun. If you are somewhere around nearby Delhi, just comment us or just DM us. We're here for you guys. We'll see each other. We'll come. Just visit us. We'll cook for you, and yeah, eat with you like this. So everyone is welcome here in our place. Oh, don't forget to subscribe, like, share the videos. Right there.
I'll put a link on the description as well as check it out here. His channel, my channel. So we're trying to focus on building our memories of Delhi's and even after we go home, because we want to keep all the good moments in our memories and save it so that we can reminiscent some days and look back and smile that we have done that part and it's well done. So yeah, thank you so much. See you guys in the next videos. We'll come back with different mukbang videos, different types of curries and other blog or any type of videos. So bye bye. Thank you.
And one more thing, we are not going to come up only in the mukbang. We will visit place to place, different places in maybe around Delhi, and afterwards we'll move out of Delhi. Meaning to say,
Vlogging, riding.
yes, we are planning to have a ride to Rishikesh and stuff like that, to the other states. Yeah, but there are a lot of things in this one to do list. We have to do list. So there are a lot of options there. It will follow up with a sequential manner.